You can change the units used in SOLIDWORKS for the current document through changing the unit option in the bottom right corner. This allows you to quickly change the unit system for the current document only. Access the document properties via the options in SOLIDWORKS to customize the specific units you wish to use for each dimension type. Notice, since we have added custom values, the custom option setting is used. Changing between the different unit standards displays the dimension values in their retrospective units. You can use different units for adding dimensions. To do this, modify the dimension and type the desired value. If the unit you wish to use is different to the one set for the document, you can manually specify the unit you wish to use. This will apply the dimension value but display the dimension according to the unit specified in the document properties. If you wish to create document templates with predefined unit options, set these in either a part, assembly or drawing template and save the file as a part template file. Be sure to add the new custom file location to your SOLIDWORKS file locations via the system options. When you then come to create a new document, locate your custom templates and notice how the predefined document properties are stored within the new document.